Hi everyone, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to add Lightbox to your image gallery in your Blogger website. So let's get started. We had created this image gallery in our previous video, and I also showed you how to add Lightbox using a library called Lightbox 2. Let me show you how it works. So when you click on any of these images, we can see that the image is displayed here in a larger size, and we can go to the next image or even the previous image, and then we can click on this close button to close out of this Lightbox. So this is what we're going to add in our Blogger website. So I have logged into my Blogger dashboard, and let's create a new page. So we'll go to pages, and we'll click on this plus icon, and we'll just title it supercars. And this is the HTML mode where you can write HTML code. But first of all, we need to add all the images. So for that, we will just go to the compose mode, and we'll click on this button called insert image, and we'll select upload from computer, and we'll just click on browse. This is our project folder. Let's go to images, and let's select all these images and click on open. And here we can see all the images have been added to our page. Now we uploaded these images using the compose mode just to get the URL of these images. Now that we have added all these images, let's go to the HTML view. So click on this button called HTML view. If you're using the older version of Blogger, then you can find the HTML view somewhere here on the left. Alright, so let's click on the HTML view, and here is all the code that we got generated. Now let me just arrange these things in such a way that it'll be easier for us to separate these images. So let's add some line breaks over here. So here we can see we have all the 6 images. Now let's go to our source code, and we'll copy our HTML code right here. So this is our source code that we created in the previous video. I will leave the link of the source code in the description below. Alright, so let's copy the gallery container division. So we'll just copy from here till the end of the division, and we'll paste it right here. And the next thing we need to do is replace all the href and the src with the new link of our images. So let's go to our images here, and we will select the href from here, and we'll paste it inside the href, and we'll paste the same link over here in the source as well. Right, that's it with the first image. Now we'll do the same with the second, third, and all the other images. So I'll just fast forward it. Alright, we have copied the URL of all the images in our gallery container division. So now we can delete all the images. So we'll just select everything from here, and we'll just delete it. Alright, that's it with our page. Now let's go ahead and publish it. Alright, our page has been published successfully. Now let's go to theme, and let's add our CSS. So let's click on customize, and we'll click on advanced and go to add CSS, and we'll go to our style.css, and we'll copy the CSS from here, and we'll paste it right here, and then click on apply to blog, and back to Blogger. Now we need to add the CDN link of the Lightbox 2 library. So let's click on this option button, and we'll click on edit HTML. Now let's go to the HTML in our source code, and here's the link of the library. So let's copy this from here, and we'll paste it inside the head tag. So right now we can see that this is the start of the head tag. So we'll just include it over here. And now we need to add the link of the JavaScript. So let's go over here and let's copy this line of code, and we'll add it just before the body ends. So we'll go over here and scroll down, and we can see that the body ends right here. So we'll just paste our line of code right here and then click on save. Now let's go back to our Blogger dashboard and let's view our page and see how it looks. So we'll just click on view, and we can see that our gallery is looking alright. Let's click on any of these images, and we can see that the Lightbox 2 library is working. The next and the previous buttons are working alright, but we also have a default lightbox of Blogger. So we have two lightboxes being displayed. Let me show it to you once more. So we can see that the default lightbox is showing initially, and then we have the custom lightbox. And when we close the custom lightbox, we have to close the other lightbox as well. Now Blogger adds Lightbox to your images by default, so you have to disable that first of all from the settings. So let's go to our Blogger dashboard. We'll go to settings, and let's just scroll down, and here we have an option called Image Lightbox. So right now we can see that it is on by default. Let's turn it off. And now the image lightbox is disabled. Now let's go ahead and refresh our page. Now let's click on one of these images, and we can see that our custom lightbox is being shown and the default lightbox is not being shown. So that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.